Hi! At Ezlo, our brand promise is to work with everything. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to pair an Ecolink door window sensor with your Ezlo Atom. But the same pairing process works with our entire lineup of controllers. In the Vera app, tap the menu icon, then go to Devices. Now tap the plus symbol, then go to Sensors and look for your sensor. Select it, and when ready, hit Next to start the pairing process. Go to the sensor, remove the backplate and take out the battery pull tab. This will engage the pairing process. The controller will recognize the device and pair it to your system. In the Vera app, choose a name for your sensor, select a room and finalize the process. Congratulations! You can use this sensor in a scene to turn on an appliance or a lamp when it trips or get a notification in your Vera app.